Hi, Ria, Sue, and Gina. It's Christine, and I just wanted to show you how to get onto our website so that you can start your work, and I'll show you a bit of the basics as well. And so basically what you need to do, first of all, I wanted to give you the name. It's noodlenarratives.emorydomains.org/food or /food /. Here you go, right at the top. And there's really not much you can do yet. I have put in a login for you so that you can log in right on the page. However, before you get started, you're going to have to reset your password. So I wanted to show you how to do that. If you go into your mail, and this is my mail right here, usually I'm in my inbox, and you're going to be looking for something like this, WordPress, that I sent to you on the 21st. It's now the 24th. So you might find it in your inbox. However, a lot of times these things go to your junk mail. So I'll show you where mine went. Mine went to junk mail, if you click on junk mail. And here it is, the initial WordPress. And it says your username, and it says to set your password, visit the following address. So you just click on that address, and it is going, oops. So, actually, don't click on it yet. You probably want to put it into your inbox first. So drop it into your inbox, and then go down to the 21st. I've already done it, so, Mamma mia, I've taken you way far away from the actual date when it dropped into your inbox. Anyways, we're getting closer. Okay, so it's somewhere around here. And here we go. So now that it's in your inbox, you can click on it. That's the name of the website. It'll say your username, and then just click on it, and it's going to say basically username or email, and you put, I put Siversta. You'd put your own username, and then get new password. It's going to show you. I'm not going to do it because I've already done this and I don't want to have to reset my password. But when you do that, it'll show you currently what the login name is. And then you just click on that and type in a new login name. It'll tell you whether it's weak or strong or medium, all of that good stuff. So once you do that, then you want to go to our page and you want to just click on login. And it will say, basically, I have one attempt remaining because I messed up my new login. I forgot it. I had to reset it again. But anyways, then you'll type in your password. Oh, wait, let me try this again. I want to make sure I get it right because I only have one time remaining. Okay, login. And basically it's going to take you to the dashboard. Now the dashboard is where everything happens, and you'll be doing a lot with pages. So I'm just going to show you, go to the left side, go to pages, all pages. And basically we've got an about page. So I don't think there's anything on it yet, but here's the about page. You can, right now it says this is an example of a WordPress page. But basically what you're going to want to do is say, hi, where, students from Chinese, Chinese, Italian 190, and we have created a resource page about food for our international students at Emory. Now that's very simplified. However you want to do this, it's fine. I'm going to just show you how to do it. So basically, update is what you hit, and it's going to update the page. Now let's go back to pages. And there's also, I just gave it this name, an International Student's Guide to Food at Emory. However, you can name it whatever you want, and it's very easy to change the name. See how I'm doing it right here right at the top. And then, you can, I don't know if you want to set up a menu on the first page, or how you want to do it. However, it's up to you how you want to set it. If you want to go back to pages and you'd like to create a new page, you just hit add new, and you might want to say, oops, the duck, oops, duck, and then put something about the duck here, links, whatever you want to do. You could put another page, and I'm just adding new pages. You can delete these if you want, but you can also click on add a new page and put Atlanta, and then write something down here and then publish. I'm publishing them. Again, you can delete them. It's very easy to go in and delete them. So for example, let's go to pages. It's still publishing, so we'll wait a moment, but here we go. Now it's published. And see how it shows up. About an International Guide to Student, Atlanta, the duck. All of these are pages. If you want to delete something, you just click here. You don't even have to click here. You can just hit trash and it will delete it. Quick edit, it will allow you to edit the information that we see very quickly. Edit means you go in and you're changing things that are, information that you're typing in on the page. Quick edit is information about the page, like the title, etc. You can also create a menu, and if you want to create a menu, go to Appearance, and then go to Menus. Oops, I don't know what's happening. Oh, Appearance is beautiful because you can go through all of these free websites and set up how you want it to be. You can set it up to look differently. Like, let's say we want it to look like this. Then this is the current theme, but let's say we want to do a different theme. Appearance, and we could do maybe this theme. You can do a live preview, and it will show you exactly what our page looks like. This is what the page will look like with this preview. You can save and activate it. So I'm going to change the page, and it's going to look like this now. So here it is. Let's go back to the dashboard. And one thing about the dashboard, you can always preview to see this is the dashboard, but let's say you want to see what the site looks like. You can just go and visit site. Here's what it looks like. Then we want to go back to dashboard. Now, let's go back to Appearance and Menus. And let's give our menu a name, and maybe we'll just call it food. I don't know. You can change this. See how this is changeable. And then you create a menu. So I'm creating this menu. Again, you can change the name. But now we've got a couple pages. We've got Atlanta. We have the duck. We have an International Student's Guide to Emory, and we have About. We can add all of these to the menu. Here they are. And I'm going to save menu. Let's see where this shows up. I'm not quite sure where it'll show up. But if we go to Food for International Students and visit the site, let's see. Where is our menu? I don't see it. But it's out there somewhere. So I don't see our menu. So maybe what's happened is that click on Food for International Students. Okay, I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to go back to Appearance and then Menus, and try to get a good idea oh, maybe I didn't save the menu. That's probably what happened. Let's see what happens once we save it. Let's go back, and it's a lot of, as you probably know, it's a lot of playing around, but no, it's not there yet. So we'll figure this out. But let me try one more time. And in the meantime, I'm modeling how to resolve problems. We might want to put primary menu on this. And then, so we're going to save it as the primary menu. And then see what happens. Okay, Okay, here we go. Atlanta the Duck, International Student's Guide to Food, about. And I think you can move it to the top if you want. Just keep looking, maybe primary menu isn't what you want. Maybe you want it to be a top menu. I think there are options for that. But right now we have it right here. There's also a meta menu. Meta menu is like log out, site administration. When you log in on the meta menu. And so I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Oops. This is our active theme right here. I don't know how we got here, but let me go back to, I think somehow we got onto customize. Food for international students, nope. Let's just get out of here. Okay, we're back to dashboard. Dashboard. There we go. All right, the other thing you can do is posts, and that's what we've been doing. And if you go to posts, they kind of look like pages when you go in. Like here's the hello world, and you might want to say welcome to us. Welcome to our international student memory food site. Now again, please don't feel like you're tied to this. And then etc. You're going to want to add stuff to that, of course. And you might want to just say welcome. And then update. And let's see, when we go and visit the site, let's see where this shows up. Visit site. Welcome. So it's on the first page. It's actually, so all your blog entries are going to show up on the first page. However, that doesn't have to be the case. If you want to put our about as the first page, you can do that. And these are blog entries. Anytime you have blog entries, they'll show up here. But let's say we want to make about our first page. And again, bear with me as I experiment with this. I think what we need to do is go back to the dashboard and go back to appearance and go back to menus and see what the first page is. So we've got primary menus, posts, custom links. I am not sure yet how to make a different page the first page, but I'm going to find out for you. And then I'll let you know. I know there's a way to do it. Anyways, one other thing that I wanted to show you to get you started involves, let's see, media. We might want to add some media, pictures and things so that everything looks beautiful. And so what you do, you go to media, then you go to add new, and add new, no media files found, but we don't have any media files on here. So if I click add new, we will select a file. And basically what this is going to do is, here are all of a bunch of Italian videos. So you can put you can upload videos. You'll probably want to go to pictures. I'm trying to think what we want to see here. And probably, I don't know what any of these pictures are. So I'm Waller Scholars. This is a group of students I worked with. Let's just upload it for fun and see what it is. Oh, there's the Waller Scholars. They're a great group of students that I worked with once. And anyways, this is kind of gives you some details. There we go. They're uploaded. So let's say I want to put this beautiful picture on either a post or a page. I'm going to go to a page that we have. And let's say about. And about it might be the page that you actually want to be your first page. I'm going to add media to this page. Media library, I'll go in. And here's our picture. I click on it. And I do insert image into page. And I don't know, you can do, there are ways to make this, line up with your picture. You can play around with that when you're see this is like a little bit of font, a little bit of the writing up at the top, your picture in the middle, here's another option, here's another one, but we're not going to play with that yet. I just want to update, and then I'm going to show you how beautiful it looks. Okay, so we'll go to the dashboard, and we go to home, and then we're going to go to the site itself, and if you look at the About page, now we have the picture. Okay, I'll leave that in for now, and you can just replace it with whatever. You can delete it and replace it with whatever else you want. Then, you get to a point where you're done, and you just log out. So that's my first tutorial, and thanks for watching it. Please email me, cristai@emory.edu, if you have any questions. But I do think this should get you started with the web page, and then we'll move from there. And don't hesitate to call me, 404-297-8118, over the next few weeks. While we're getting this up, I'd be happy to talk to you. Email me, we can make an appointment, we can do Skype. I can do another interview if you'd like. So, Gina, Sue, and Ria, thank you so much for doing this, and really excited to be working with you on this. And I think it's going to teach you some really great skills, and you'll be able to do this in the future. I'm just getting out of this program, so I'm going to click the stop button.